Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here. You can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. Now, producing video content, it takes a lot of support. It takes support of the great team here at Apple Insider. It takes support of an amazing audience such as you guys. And it takes support of wonderful sponsors. In this case, ESR. ESR has been producing great charging and accessories for your Apple gear for ages now. And in this video, we're going to be talking about ESR and one of my favorite products from them, their HaloLock in-car wireless charger, which happens to work with Apple's MagSafe for the iPhone 12 line. Let's go ahead and dive in a little bit deeper to this guy and a few other ESR accessories. Since the iPhone 12 launched, I have maintained that MagSafe is one of the best things to happen to the iPhone for a long time. It has so much potential and stuff that it can do. I mean, attaching accessories like wallets to your phone, the fact that it can be built into cases that you pick up, you can use it for mounts, you can use it for charging, it just has so many applications and it's just universal and built right into your phone. But it needs support of third-party accessories makers to make it really powerful. And so far, we haven't seen any third-party wireless car chargers for the iPhone 12 line. There's literally none of them out there that we have been able to find that work, or at least that work well. So when I stumbled upon the ESR HaloLock magnetic in-car charger, found that it worked with MagSafe, I was ecstatic. I immediately had to pick one up and try it out for myself. And since then, I've had this in my car and I have not gone back. So let's take a little bit closer look at this. So here's the charger itself. It's a kind of like a rounded square. On the front, you have that ESR logo, as well as a little bit of a rubberized grip around the edge, which helps keep it in place when you're driving. Around back, you can see we have a really articulating pivot joint here, so you can kind of move this around and angle it just to your liking. And then we have this little grip here, so you can push down, opens up, and clips right onto your vent mount. And then this guy here, as you can hear, is adjustable, which gives you a lot of control over that bottom point there. So it helps it sit straight and actually takes a little bit of the weight off of those top blades of your vent mount. So it actually gives a little bit more security. It's not going to go anywhere, not going to bounce nearly as much as it otherwise would, and takes a little bit of the weight off of the blades itself and puts some of it down there. So it kind of disperses it over a larger area. So it really strongly holds onto your vents, and it powers up over USB-C. So USB-C cable is included in the box, and as long as you got at least an 18-watt car charger, you are good to go to plug this in and get up to 7.5 watts of wireless power with your iPhone 12 line phone while you're in the car. So it'll work with the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, the 12 Pro Max, and the iPhone 12 mini. Any of those phones or newer phones that have MagSafe built in will work with this HaloLock charger. Put this in, all you gotta do is get into your car, slap your phone on there, and it stays in place. And what's cool too is it'll work in either orientation. So you want to put it sideways, you can do that. Put it vertically, do that. And then when you get out of your car, you just grab it and you're done. There's no metal shims necessary, nothing. It just automatically attaches and it stays put. It's absolutely incredible how easy it is to use, all thanks to MagSafe and the ESR HaloLock wireless car charger. I absolutely love having this. I just always know that my phone is charging whenever it's in the car, and it's easy where I can see it and just take it on and off without any issue. And my phone has never once fallen off of this in the several few weeks, months that I've been using this. Now, ESR didn't just stop there with a wireless car charger. While as cool as this thing is, they have a bunch of other MagSafe working gear too. So this guy here, this is one of my favorites, like the smallest little thing, but I love it. It is a little charger, but it's like a kickstand now. So it's a metal ring, so it's actual metal brick here, and it's got the ESR logo on there, and it connects wirelessly. It magnetically connects to your phone like a MagSafe charger does, but it's also got a little kickstand built in. Is that not the freaking coolest thing? So you've got a magnetic MagSafe-like charger that also gives you a kickstand on your phone at the same time. I love this. I think this is brilliant because it just sits flush, so you can just use it as is, as a MagSafe charger, 7.5 watts of power, but if you ever want to, you can prop it up and watch videos and stuff at the same time. So I love this. This is like my new go-to charger that I just take with me everywhere. So little HaloLock wireless charger with a kickstand built in. They've got that guy, and check this thing out. This is great for on your desk. So it's, again, MagSafe-compatible wireless charger here, up to 7.5 watts. and you put your phone and it's going to stand up. So you can change the angle of this to whatever you've got going on. So you got a bigger phone, put it back a little bit more. It'll work horizontally as well as vertically. So whatever you want to do, but this is just amazing. There's so many like angles here that you can articulate this to get it exactly where you want it. Works with any size phone, you know, put it higher up in the air if you need to. If you want to take a FaceTime call with this, you just want to mount your phone while you're sitting at your desk, you just walk up, slap your phone there, it holds on perfectly. It's great. This is like my new go-to desk accessory as well. So much better than a flat wireless charging pad, one that you really can't change around. And it's magnetic, so everything's just lined up and getting the best speeds possible every single flipping time. And then finally, I guess we do have to mention that ESR has some cases. So there's their Cloud series, which is just a bumper. This will just go around the outside of your phone. So if you got a 12 Pro, put this around the outside and you got a protective bumper. It's not going to cover the back, which means leaves it completely open. You can see the color come through. You got the blue one, which looks so cool. And then of course works with MagSafe because there's nothing covering the back of it. And then they actually have a MagSafe case. Now this one's an actual works with MagSafe, made with the official MagSafe shim. This is Apple's official shim going in this case. You know how few of these are on the market? Almost no one is using the official made for MagSafe shims from Apple. So these guys are one of the very, very few that can use the actual MagSafe shims in their cases. And then boom, of course, you put your phone in there and it charges, does everything else via MagSafe. So fantastic that we're seeing these guys come out with an official made for MagSafe enabled case. So if you guys have an iPhone 12, an iPhone 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, an iPhone 12 mini, and you want to be able to take advantage of MagSafe, check out ESR. They have everything you need. Specifically, I love their car charger that works with MagSafe, the only one out there that I've been able to find. They also have their kickstand that works with MagSafe. They've got cases that are as protective as you want them to be and have official Apple certification on them. And then they've got desk mounts that are just also so cool and multifunctional. Put this by your bedside, put it on your desk, whatever you want to do. This stuff is great. I love it. I use it every day. And if you guys are interested, check out the links below in the description. I've got links to the ESR store so you can check out all of their MagSafe enabled gear for your iPhone 12. And let me know what you guys think over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And thank you once again to ESR for sponsoring our channel.